All right, guys, we got Fanttik here. They create some of the best products on the market. If you were not a fan of Fanttik, you will be after seeing this. This is their A10 Pro 2-in-1 digital tape measure. This thing is awesome. So this product will go tape measuring range 9.8 foot to 165 foot for laser measuring. So tape measuring up to 9.8. Laser up to 165 foot. That is unbelievable. So what you want to do is see it. So we're going to get into it here. So when I tell you they have some of the best products, the packaging is spot on to follow up some of the best products in the world when it comes to this. So when you get into this, it is a digital tape measure. That's what we're going to be looking at here. You have all your charge cords and cables on this side and also a carrying bag. But what we want to see is the actual unit itself. Very self-explanatory. You do have a really nice user manual and guide to go along with it, telling you how all the buttons are, how to use it, and everything else. Gives you all kinds of details. What I do like about this thing, it has a laser level to it, and you can mount it. There is a mounting spot for it. You have a locking mechanism on here as well. You have your charge cord on the bottom, and just look at this thing. Super nice overall. But let's start with it. Let's go ahead and pop it on. On the front, we're going to go right here, and we're going to turn it on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get her on. Just like that. So hold down the power cable or power cord or power button just like that. You have your different options. You got laser. We have distance measure. Okay, so we can measure using our laser, which is super important. We can go back. We can go up. We have area measure. You can measure an area with this. Volume measurement. You have the bubble, which will tell you, obviously, from a level perspective. Moving on down, a distance measure. Let's go ahead and see this in action. So taking a look at the distance measure, we're going to click that right there. Look at this. 0.7. We're in foot, 1.15 feet, just like that. And as you go, it is only going to measure to the 10th of a foot, which is super nice. Now, we can set this down here, and it will get us, so we have a flat spot, which is super important, so you're getting an accurate measurement on it. But look at that measuring spot right here. Okay, next I want to show you, look at this, dual-sided. So the other side, you have two different measuring types. On each side, you have all the way down to a 1/4 inch. And then you have a different version over here, which is reading the digital side of it, which is super cool. Let's go ahead and drop that down here. What I like as well about it is you do have an option for the laser. Okay, so on here, you have an option for the laser, and you can save measurements as well. So if you noticed, I have that in there, and I've clicked it multiple times, and it's saving the measurement. So let's drop that, and boom, you'll notice it's going to start saving these measurements on there in consecutive order, which makes it super sweet at the end of the day. So very neat little piece. We can go on down and we can do a volume area measurement. We have our distance. We can use our laser. So you can see, I don't know if you're able to see that on the wall. We have our laser going out, and it shows that that is let's go ahead and lock it. 4.95 feet away. That was how far that was when it comes to the actual laser itself. Guys, this thing is super simple. Very awesome. Super simple to use. Very compact. Able to work in a ton of different ways. If we want to turn it off, just hold it down, and there you have it. Fanttik A10 Pro laser measure, tape measure. This thing is super sweet. Check it out.